Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now I'm in download try for Lexmark. This here for this here for your try for example. That's why I'm search the VCR website for you. I'm live download for the VCR website. The VCR website not available is easy to download for the VCR website. This here for VCR website, you click here. That's why website loading. This here for the printer, you scroll down looking for the title for support. Click here for the title and click here for the title driver and download. This here for the button and this one. Click paste your model print. Click find driver and download. This here for the type automatic your model operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change this one. This here for the loading website. If you need change the operating system, you click here for loading the website. Click here. This here for system operation for the Mac, Windows, and Linux. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for the new version. Click here. This here for not update for the Linux version and the Fedora version, and we now this new Fedora version, Fedora 27, 28, 29. This here for not support the Fedora 28, 29. And this here for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for not update for the Mac version. This here for the Mac 10. This new version for Mac to Life, Mac 11. This here not support you Mac to Life, Mac 11. I'm sure for the Mac for the Windows. This here for Windows version. You click here. This here for the update for Windows version. This here for Windows 11. Support new version for the Windows, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server support. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows 11, like here for the driver for Windows 11, and scroll down. This here for your uh, Windows 11. I'm recommendation for you download full package. This here for universal print drive for installation package. You click here and you click here for button start download. This here for your driver download. Start download. This here for your driver download. Support your Windows 11, and if you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, type the USB cable printer and press one. Finish referral. If you finish referral, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, double click file, you click next, and you click here finish. This here for the automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of this. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye. Next time the video.